So my profit and loss says I have this much income, but my balance sheet says I have this amount in the bank. What's the deal with that? Where's the rest of my money that I know I earned this year?
Pump the brakes there, Xavier. Let me show you exactly where all your cash is going to and coming from. It's time for us to look at a little report I like to call the Statement of Cash Flows. Now, I'm going to be really honest with you. Most of my clients, those amazing business owners who are already juggling 100 responsibilities, they are not very interested in me handing them a statement of cash flows. If I did, they'd give me a funny look and ask if I was feeling all right. I don't blame them. It can get a bit complicated. But that's where we bookkeepers come in. We do care about this statement. It allows us to understand how cash is flowing into and out of the business so that we can relay that information to our clients. If they made a $100,000 profit last year, but are only seeing $50,000 in the bank, we use the statement of cash flows to explain where the other $50,000 went. That information will help them decide if they want to make changes to the way they are running the business, like sell equipment or take on new debt.